you know, from 1988 till 93, Honda sold its first 150cc sporty commuter motorcycle made specifically for Brazil, like the XLX350R, an exclusive product, unique in the entire world, created and produced for Brazilians. A motorcycle that sought refinement and sophistication in the Aero line of the Japanese CBR, while also adapting to the limitations of Brazil in the late 1980s. After the launch of CG in 1976, then ML in 1978 with same veteran OHV, gaining huge success, then later Toruna and Toruna Sports in 1983 and 85. Honda wants something different for an audience with slightly better purchasing power and who wanted to stand out from the crowd, aiming for something more luxurious and sporty. The market was changing and needed a more impactful novelty. Although Toruna and ML differed from CG, they were still 125cc. In 1988, CBX Aero came in an iconic, nostalgic yet futuristic, clean, commuter machine. Its aerodynamic streamlined fairing design resembles its true sporty DNA. It was ultimately built to bridge the gap between Honda's standard street bikes and true sport motorcycles. Both motorcycles were indeed presented and produced together at the same time and were developed specifically for the Brazilian market by Honda's Manaus factory, debuting in late 80s to spearhead a new era of sports and touring motorcycles in South America. The 450 SR was Brazilian's first domestic, fully faired 4-stroke sport motorcycle, powered by the same parallel twin, 3-valve motor from CB, later nicknamed as Captain America in 1991 due to its white, red and blue models and also dubbed as Babalu in 1993 due to its red and black versions. It was heavily inspired by the Japanese 1987 CBR 250R MC17, as mimicking the larger, track-focused superbikes. Later CBX Aero was replaced by CBX 200 Strada. Although CBX Aero was different, it featured a smooth, reliable, 4-stroke motor with a displacement that was unusual at the time. A modern aesthetic was the highlight of the motorcycle with emphasis on rear turn signals integrated into the taillight, aluminum wheels composed of 3 arches, larger 13.4-liter fuel tank and a 5-speed gearbox. It took design cues from the Aero styling of bigger sports bikes. The acronym CBX referred to top-of-the-line national motorcycles, CBX 750F, while the name Aero recalled CBR 250 to 1000cc sports bike. Deriving the same OHC, air-cooled, 125cc to 151.8cc, which was a rare example of an effective engine larger than the commercially available 150cc, but with interdimensional price control the government only controlled the price of motorcycles up to 150cc, beyond 151.8cc, Honda could set its own price. A specific MV353i, full fairing by Bellato design depicted for CBX. The 450 SR had the closest competitor RD350R, which is more expensive. Although RD developed 55 horsepower, but CBR is for those who prefer true music of 4-stroke. The CBX offered electric start for the first time on an urban motorcycle and shared the same handlebar controls as 450DX and CBX 750F, with max power of 15.9 horsepower at 9,500 RPM, allowing optimal performance, high fuel efficiency, reliability and smooth commuting through heavy urban traffic in cities like Sao Paulo. Reaching a top speed of 127 km per hour and 0 to 100 kmph in 15 seconds. However, the drawback were low-end torque, only 1.27 kgm at 8,500 RPM. Unlike fully faired sport bikes, it featured a distinctive Whitney cowl called semi-fairing which was designed for city maneuverability, while retaining a sleek, sporty, aerodynamic look.